AutoDS versus UsaDrop, which is better for you? Links to both platforms are in the description below. If you're in the e-commerce or dropshipping space, you're probably trying to figure out which tool is better suited for your business. AutoDS or UsaDrop? Let's dive right in and compare them head to head. AutoDS is a comprehensive, all-in-one dropshipping tool designed to automate and manage your online store across multiple platforms like eBay, Shopify, and Facebook Marketplace. It offers features such as product research, price and stock monitoring, automated order fulfillment, and advanced analytics. AutoDS is ideal for those who want a hands-off experience and need a tool that can handle everything from sourcing to customer service. Its integration with various suppliers and marketplaces makes it versatile, perfect for seasoned dropshippers looking to scale their business with minimal manual intervention. On the other hand, UsaDrop is a platform specifically tailored for dropshippers, focusing on US-based products and suppliers. If you're targeting the US market and want faster shipping times with reliable, high-quality products, UsaDrop might be the better option for you. UsaDrop offers an easy-to-use interface, and its biggest advantage is the ability to source and ship products domestically, reducing delivery times significantly. This makes it an excellent choice for those who prioritize customer satisfaction through fast shipping and are looking to build a brand around American-made or sourced products. To sum it up, choose AutoDS if you need a powerful, automated solution that supports multiple suppliers and platforms, especially if you're planning to scale your business globally. Opt for UsaDrop if your focus is on the US market and you want to provide your customers with quick shipping and reliable domestic products. Both platforms have their strengths, so it really comes down to your specific business needs.